Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're back at the storage yard and we're going to be on the roof. We've got a little issue with the roof strapping and I'm going to show you how to repair it. So come and join us on the roof. So you join me on the roof and yeah, one of those things, a few years ago when it was under warranty, I noticed that the strapping, it protects basically the join between the back of the caravan and the actual rear panel and front panel. Now they say it's cosmetic, this strapping. Well, yeah, whatever they say, it's fine. But I noticed that it wasn't cosmetic because there was an actual hole when it had shrank. So I took it back to my dealers and they stripped it off and they kindly put some fresh tape on. However, this tape now has decided that it's not going to stick very well anymore and it needs renewing. So as you can see, underneath it is sealed with Sikaflex, so we do still have a good bond, but the tape looks really ugly and nasty, and like I say, it's peeling off. So we're going to put some fresh stuff on. So let's have a look at the tools and some of the things we're going to use to repair this. So a few of the items that I've brought with me from home are some plastic scrapers. One of them is almost like a plastic razor blade, the red one, and the others are just standard ones that you would normally use when you're grouting your tiles, etc. Now we've also got some isopropyl alcohol and a spray bottle, and we've also got some methylated spirits. This is to remove any of the loose, messy adhesive that the tape might have had. We've got some cloth and we've also got a pair of scissors. So let's take a look now at the actual item we're going to be using to repair it with. So this is the product I've bought. I bought it off Amazon. It's RV repair tape and it comes with a roll of rubber, which is really handy for smoothing it down with. Now it's 4 inches wide, this one, and it's 50 feet long, so I'm going to get plenty of use out of it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go on the roof, show you how we strip off the original tape and get it cleaned up. So I didn't really need a tool actually to lift this up. I just caught the corner and then slowly peeled it up. As you can see, the Sikaflex is still underneath and it's nice and clean, but we're going to need to clean this edge here and also this edge, and also a little bit wider because the tape I've got is wider than this one. This is quite a narrow tape, but the original that was on here was a bead and it was probably about 1 inch wide. It was about as much use as a chocolate fireguard. This stuff is a lot better. Now the marine tape that I've got is a little bit thicker than this as well actually. It's a bit of better quality. So I'll peel this off now, and as you can see it's coming off dead easy, and then I'll come back to you when we've sorted this out. So to remove the sticky marks, what we're going to use is some good old-fashioned methylated spirits. You might have to press on a little bit hard to actually remove it, and as you can see there, it's cleaning it up nicely. So we're going to continue to do this along the whole of the section, get rid of all these marks, and then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to apply the tape. So I'll get on with cleaning the roof and then we'll come back to you. So I've peeled the backing off, and what I've decided to do is just go on either side of the actual this section, this plastic section here, like so. And as you can see, it's already starting to stick. It's quite good stuff, this. So the trick is obviously not to get any air bubbles in it, so we're just going to use this roller just to roll it out now. Get it nice and even, like so. I'll cut this section off after with a Stanley knife. Now all you do really is you just unroll it now, slowly peeling the backing tape off and rolling it out like so and smoothing it with your roller, and it should give you quite an even and flat surface once it's adhered. Now this stuff is very, very sticky, so you have to be quite quick with it. So I'm going to get on with it now and I shall show you the end result. So everyone, that is the roof strapping. I'm very pleased with it. We've got a nice clean surface now, and also we've got no edges that have actually got any marks or lifts in it, so the water can't penetrate it. Now that was the whole purpose of this. Now they say these are cosmetic, but I'll be honest, for what it was worth, I think it was worth doing. So I hope this has encouraged you to have a go. Couple of tips. Methylated spirits is probably the best thing to use, but if you've got some really stubborn sticky marks, I would recommend a spray can of brake fluid, but don't spray it directly onto the actual surface. Put it into the cloth and then rub it in, and it will remove it as well. Well, thank you very much for watching. Like I say, I hope you have a go yourself if this is something that you need to do on your caravan. But in the meantime, bye for now.